To be profitable, guys, to look, if I was to make $200 off of driving traffic to this product, I would be happy. You want to know why? Because when I drive and I make $200 and I break even, I'm going to get those email lists.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, just choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat. All my dogs peace.
What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, and in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to easily make $35 and some change per day. And this method is something that you can go ahead and apply as soon as today. So let's get started. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now guys, why is it important to make, let's just say $35 per day? Because guys, if you guys do the math, that's about an extra $1,000 per month. Now guys, what could you do with an extra $1,000 per month? A lot, right? So what we're gonna be doing is, first and foremost, what industry are we going to be making this money in? There's so many different methods online, but if you guys have been following me for a long period of time, you know I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. If this is your first time coming across my channel, guys, I am an affiliate marketer. I get paid to recommend other people's products. So what happens is, affiliate marketing is simply you being the professional middleman. You find somebody who creates a product, you find somebody who's interested in solving that problem that product solves. You are the professional middleman who connects those two people together, and when a sale is made, the person who created the product is going to go ahead and pay you a percentage of the revenue called a commission, which is an expense for them but profit for you. And where can you find these affiliate products? You can find them in what is called an affiliate network. So an example of affiliate network, one of the most popular affiliate networks, been around for over 10 years strong, is clickbank.com. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click this freaking gray button right here that says create an account. Now you guys can use other ones like JVZoo or Max Bounty or whatever, right? There's so many freaking things, guys. Literally just go to Google and type in best affiliate network. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, once I create an account, I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace. Now, once I go to the affiliate marketplace, the first thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and actually pick a category around the products that I want to go ahead and but products that I want to go ahead and promote. Now, for this specific method, the only two niches that are going to go ahead and work is e-business and e-marketing, or health and fitness. So in this specific method, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys through e-business and e-marketing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually find an affiliate product. But which one are we going to go ahead and promote? We're going to go ahead and promote make money from YouTube with no filming, no marketing, and no website. Why? Because the average sale pays out $35.75. We just trying to make an extra $1,000 a month. And then once we make an extra $1,000 a month, then we'll invest that to start growing our income, so on and so forth. But we're just tired of living paycheck to paycheck. We want to go ahead and actually have some extra money, so that way we can go ahead and go to a little nicer restaurant here and there, or maybe just, you know. Okay, let's get into it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually see what the actual affiliate offer looks like. For some reason, it's not loading as fast as I want to, so I'm going to skip to the next couple of steps, and then we're going to backtrack a little bit. Now, what we're going to do is, after we actually pick an offer that we want to go ahead and promote, we're going to want to build a funnel. Now, what is a funnel, guys? A funnel is a series of steps that you're taking somebody through. It's a buying process online. So for example, instead of handing out a brochure and then just letting somebody go, it's kind of like, hey, I see you looking at these shoes over here. Are you interested in these shoes over here? Okay, come over here. Oh, you interested in these Jordans? Okay, let's take a look at these Jordans. Instead of you looking around and browsing, you literally have somebody walking you step by step, just like you would in person, somebody walking you step by step during a buying process. But it's pretty automated. So there's literally going to be 3 simple steps. And I know my drawing is crazy right now. Holy mother of hell. So, what the shit? Alright, come on. I believe in you, Eric. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Boom! Alright, we got it. We got one ugly square. Now let's try to do the second ugly square. Boom! We got a second ugly square. And can we do a 3P? Can we do a 3P? We did a 3P. Okay, cool. So now we did the 3 squares. Now, what do the 3 squares mean? These are the 3 steps of a sales funnel. So the first step is going to be called a landing page, a squeeze page, or a opt-in page. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and give something away for free, right? Now guys, if you guys want access to the actual software, as well as training that will show you how to use this software, in my resources section down below, there's gonna be something that says sales funnels. Click that link and grab access to this software, because without the software, you're not going to be able to build these funnels. Now, this next page is going to be called the bridge page. Why? Because it's going to be the thing that actually bridges the gap between your free thing, which is called a lead magnet, and your affiliate offer. So here's my affiliate offer, which is the YouTube secrets, right? YouTube. And all we have to do, guys, is literally get 1 sale per day, and boom, we're at $1,000 a month in income. So what we're gonna do is, okay, this is the actual offer, right? So this page right here that we got from ClickBank. So once we, and it doesn't, guys, it doesn't have to be ClickBank. You guys can do this for any different offer, or excuse me, any different affiliate network. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and generate my hop link. So I get paid 70% commissions. Basically, this is the link that is going to be the link that I'm going to connect on the back end of my funnel. So this is the link that I just got right here, right? This is my affiliate offer, and the link is gonna go ahead and actually show this page right here, this sales video. Now, next is, okay, we need to go ahead and create these 2 pages right here. So the way that we're gonna go ahead and create these 2 pages is with a sales funnel software called ClickFunnels. And as stated before, if you guys want access to this actual software, there will be a link in the description, in the resources section. But what I'm just gonna do is right here. So cool, look, if you guys look here, let me ask you a question. Are these congruent? Now, one of the problems that I see affiliates doing when they create their sales funnels is they're not congruent, right? It has a completely different message, as well as a completely different landing page that looks nothing like the offer that you're promoting. So if you look here, weird loophole that prints $10,000 per month on YouTube with no marketing or filming. And if we look over here, how I make $10,000 each month on YouTube with no marketing or filming. Don't you think that's pretty congruent? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and send a free training, right? So what I'm gonna do is on the email, I'm gonna go ahead and send this damn free training. So as soon as they opt in, we're gonna make this font a little bit bigger. You guys may not know now because you're just coming across this, or you guys have been following me for a while, but the reason why we're grabbing access to that email is so that way I can go ahead and build a list of emails that I can automatically market to them, as well as I can go ahead and start doing email marketing, so called like an email broadcast. For example, you might be watching this on my email list. So this is called an email broadcast. You're watching this video because I broadcasted it out to you, right? So next is the bridge page. Now, if I go ahead and actually, sorry, ericellis@gmail.com, no idea who that is, but you shouldn't have stole my damn name. We're gonna be redirecting them to, it actually, oh yeah, I didn't build out that page. So instead, guys, and this one I actually didn't do a bridge page. I did a quick little 2-step funnel. So I did a free thing and I leveraged the actual video as a free thing. So, and you guys can do a bridge page, but let's just say you guys did a 2-step funnel. Boom, free thing, they grab access to YouTube. So what you're gonna be using, guys, is ClickFunnels to actually build out those little opt-in pages, and then I redirected them to this affiliate offer. So boom, now how do we actually drive traffic? The most important, guys, the most important thing here is actually driving traffic to this little funnel. So guys, there are so many freaking things that we can do. We can do Facebook ads, we can do Google ads, we can do YouTube ads, we can do YouTube, just YouTube free marketing, right? We could do anything. There's so many things that we can do, but in this one, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a super simple and easy to do process. Now, if you guys go to the resources section down below, there's going to be something that says traffic. Now, that traffic method is going to be access to this website right here. Not only can you make money as an affiliate, if you notice, I've made $531.42, but if you guys go to find sellers, you can literally find people who are selling traffic, and the type of traffic that they're selling is called solo ads. A solo ad is basically when somebody has a huge freaking email list and they're literally just going to go and do an email broadcast and they'll send it to your link. Now the thing is that they won't send it directly to an affiliate offer. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to go ahead and have to build out one of those landing pages with ClickFunnels. So that's why you guys want to go ahead and click the link down below. And then what you guys want to do is once you guys find sellers, the number one thing that I would just recommend is making sure that it's above 30% sales. Now, got sales, what does that mean? It's kind of like got milk. But now I'm just messing with you guys. But basically, got sales means that people have gotten sales with these people. So the percentage of people, right, above 30% who have gotten sales. So that means when people actually buy traffic from these people, they will report whether they got sales or not. So there's people that I've bought traffic from in the past where I get 0 freaking sales. I spent a lot of freaking money, and then there's people that I spent money with and I got a boatload of sales. And I'm like, holy crap, I'm gonna stick with this guy. I'm gonna stick with this traffic method. So that's basically what you guys are gonna go ahead and do. You guys are gonna go ahead and pick somebody. So let's just say this guy is 59 cents. He's at 36%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and click Mark Hayden. And the next step is you wanna make sure that the when you guys can actually get your solo ad sent is pretty close date. So if I go here, I type in today's date is September 9th. Damn, so he could send it today. So I'm gonna buy it from him. Shit, I'm gonna get my traffic as soon as today, so I could literally see if I got sales or not today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to, let's just say, get 300 clicks. Now guys, this does cost money to actually use this method. Now for all those people who want to go ahead and just make money for free with no investment, guys, you're gonna have to either invest time or money. If you invest money, you're gonna go ahead and get results much quicker. So I'm gonna do this, and if I was to buy 300, what I would recommend if you're using Udemy is only top tier traffic. So what does that mean, guys? Only top tier traffic is traffic that is from the main countries like the US, New Zealand, Australia, so on and so forth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the link of the page that I created on ClickFunnels, and then I'm going to go to Udemy, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste the freaking link that I created, and I'm literally just going to send them to my funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add to cart $210. And to be profitable, guys, look, if I was to make $200 off of driving traffic to this product, I would be happy. You want to know why? Because when I drive and I make $200 and I break even, I'm going to get those email lists. So guys, there's 3 types of traffic methods. Traffic that you control, which is paid traffic. Traffic that you don't control, which is free traffic. And traffic that you own. So these people who have these huge email lists, that's called traffic that they own. So they're literally able to drive traffic with the click of a freaking button for free. So imagine having all this free traffic that you can drive to these affiliate offers. So that's the cool thing about building an email list. Now, if you guys want more information on this subject, guys, there's only so much that I can do within a video. Go ahead to ericsnewbook.com and grab access to my new book that will go ahead and show you guys step by step how to actually set up this process, and there's actually links within the ebook that'll go ahead and show you the software that you're going to be needing to actually use this. And also I will be introducing you guys to an affiliate offer that I'm currently using that'll show you guys how to make $1,000 paydays. But most importantly, guys, grab access to that book. And if you guys want access to the resources and all that extra stuff, guys, down below. But with that being said, guys, all you have to do is literally generate 1 sale per freaking day, $35.75, and you will be making $1,000 per month. Now, obviously, if you are spending money to acquire those customers, then you need to go ahead and do the math of accounting, which is revenue minus expenses equals profit. So the revenue is going to be your commissions, the expenses is going to be your traffic budget, and the profit is going to be the difference. And then how you make more money and make more money quicker is with your profits. You're going to reinvest that back into your traffic budget. So your expenses are going to be higher, but your revenue should be higher. Then your profit gets higher. Then you do it over again, rinse and repeat, and then you just make money over and over and over and over. So with that being said, my friend, that is how you easily make $35 per day. It doesn't take rocket science. The hardest part here, guys, is learning how to actually build these funnels. But as stated before, if you guys grab access to that software in the resources section, they will literally teach you guys how to build funnels. So you got that covered. Now it's just how to drive traffic to these offers, finding a good offer, driving traffic. I just showed you guys one of the easiest freaking traffic methods on the freaking planet. So if you guys can't figure this out, this shit isn't for you. But if you can figure this out, reach out to me and thank me later. So with that being said, now I'm rambling. See you guys on the next video. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, hey, I want to learn from this guy, then click the link in the description to grab access to my new book, or you can grab it at ericsnewbook.com. Again, that's ericsnewbook.com. Thanks for watching.